Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when using the dialog and form components in React. The problem we're facing is that the handleOpenChange function always triggers before the onSubmit function, causing the form to reset before it can be submitted. Quite a tricky problem, right? Now let's talk about the solution. The key here is to remove the DialogClose component from our code. By doing so, we can prevent the form from resetting prematurely. Sometimes, simple solutions are the most effective. Remember, simpler is often better in the world of coding. In summary, by removing the DialogClose component, we can ensure that the form submission process works smoothly without any unexpected resets. Problem solved. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coding insights. And as always, like this video and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding, and see you in the next one.